Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you reset your router's wireless router. So here is complete setup for your reboot factory reset. Step 1. Perform a standard power reboot. Unplug the black power cable directly from the back of your router's Ignite gateway router. Leave the device completely disconnected from electricity for at least 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the gateway and allow up to 5 minutes for it to boot. Wait for the single indicator light on top of the gateway to turn solid white, signaling it is online. Step 2. Use the automated app reboot. Skip step 1 if you prefer a digital method and open the official Ignite Home Connect app. Sign in using your primary router username and account password. Tap the Wi-Fi tab at the bottom of the screen, then select Troubleshoot. Tap Restart Gateway to trigger a remote software power cycle without touching the box. Step 3. Trigger a full hardware factory reset. Note that a factory reset will arrange your custom Wi-Fi network name, password, and settings. Locate the small reset pinhole or physical WPS button on the back of the router's gateway hardware. Insert a straightened paper clip into the pinhole or hold down the physical WPS button for exactly 30 seconds. Release the hold when the status light turns completely off and begins flashing a amber or red color. Step 4. Connect to the default setup Wi-Fi line. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the factory formatting loop to finish the light to flash blue. Open the wireless network connection panel on your mobile, smartphone or computer. Select the default temporary router's network name listed on the manufacturing sticker underneath your router. Enter the default network security key printed on that same sticker to establish a connection. Step 5. Configure your new network settings. Open a web browser window on your connected device. Enter the administrative gateway IP address, which would be 10.0.0.1, into the URL navigation bar. Type admin for the username and password for the access key when prompted. Create a brand new custom Wi-Fi network name or SSID and a secure wireless encryption password. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.